Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to explain and practically demonstrate logical operators in Java. So let's get started. There are totally three logical operators in Java. What are they? First one is logical AND operator, which we have to represent using double ampersand symbol. This is logical AND operator. And the next one we have in Java is logical OR operator, which is double pipe symbol. Okay. This double pipe symbol is logical OR operator in Java. And the next one or the last one is logical NOT operator, which need to be represented using exclamatory mark. This is logical NOT operator. So these are the total three logical operators we have in Java. Fine. Now let me explain one by one for you. First, I'll explain logical AND operator. The first one is logical AND operator. Let me explain. So what is logical AND operator? How does it work? It works something like this. Okay, let me draw this table. And here, let me create some rows. Total 5 rows I'll create here. For explaining this logical AND operator, I need this particular table. And here, let me draw like this. Okay. Fine. For example, here, let's say this is A. Okay. Let's assume this is A, variable A. And let's assume this is variable B. So here, I'll do A ampersand ampersand B. That is A logical AND operator B. Now, if A holds true and B also holds true. Okay. If A and B both holds true, then true, logical and true. If both the sides are true, then only it is true. Okay. For this logical operator to work and result in true, here both the operands should be true. A should be true, B should be true. Then only the result will come as true. True and true will become true. Both the sides, left side and right side, both should be true to become true. Then what if A is true, but B is false? A is true, but B is false. Then what will happen? One of the side is true, the other side is false. If even one side is false, the result will become false. Both the sides should become true to result in true. But if one of the side is false, automatically false. What if the A is false? A is false and B is true. In this case, what will happen? Since one of the side is false, automatically the result will become false. Then the last one, if both the sides are false, A is false and also B is false. At least one is false, automatically false, right? Even one is false, that is false. In this case, both the sides are false, automatically it is false. Automatically it is false. Only in one case it is going to be true where A is true and B is true. Both the operands are true, then only true. If even one operand is false, automatically it is false. Okay? So this is how the logical AND operator works in Java. Let me practically demonstrate this logical AND operator for you. For that, I'll switch to this Eclipse IDE. Here, I'm going to, write the print statement system.out.println. I'll write simply like true, logical and true. You can also do like this. Okay. Boolean A is equal to true. Like this also you can do, but I'm not going to do like that. Here you can put A in that case. Okay. So you can do like that, or you can directly, for learning purpose, you can directly write the print statements and specify true and true. What is the result of true and true? The result will be true, right? If both are true, both the sides are true, automatically logical AND operator will result in true. Then if one side is false, that is false and true, what will happen? This will result in false. Now if I write one more thing, that is true and false. What is the result? True and false. If one of the side is false, automatically it is false. If both the sides are false, false and false, automatically it is false, right? Even one side is false, it is false. So if both sides are false, automatically it is false. Okay. Only when both the operands are true, then only logical AND operator will result in true. Remaining all cases, it will result in false. Let me run this code to confirm. Okay, have run the code. You see what is coming as result? True, false, false, false. True, false, 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 which is correct. Right? Now, let's understand the next logical operator in Java, that is double pipe symbol, logical OR operator. Okay, let me write down here. Logical OR operator. Okay, let me draw the table. Similar kind of table, let me draw here. And let me create 5 rows as usual. 5 rows. First row, second row, third row, fourth and fifth rows. Similarly here, A, B, A or B. Okay, we have to write here. Okay, let's write here variable A. This is variable B. This is A double pipe B, A or B. So again, if it is, okay, let's say this is true, A is true and B is false. What will happen in this case? A is true and B is false. What will happen? If one of the side is true, the result of this A or B will become true. Okay. If one of the operand is true, whether it is on the left side or on the right side, if the operand is true, automatically the result will become true. Okay. Here in this case, true or false means true will be the result. True or false means true will be the result. Next one. This one is false, but this one is true. Okay. A is false, but B is true. What will happen? If one of the side is true, it doesn't matter whether the other side is false or true. Okay. The result will become true. This is logical OR operator, guys. It works in opposite way of the logical AND operator. Okay. Fine. Next one is here. This is true and this is also true. If both the sides are true, automatically it is true. Even one side is true, it is true. But here both the sides are true, so true. Now, when it will become false? Only when both the operands are false, then it will become false. If this is false and this is also false, if both the operands are false, then only in that case it will become false. In remaining all cases, it will become true. Okay? If both the operands are false here, logical OR operator will result in false. In remaining all cases, it will result in true. So let me practically demonstrate this logical OR operator for you. So let me remove the previous results from here. And here, I'll write logical OR operator. Okay, I'll put logical OR operator. That is double pipe symbol, which is logical OR operator. So even one side is true, it will become true in this case of logical OR operator. Here both the sides are true, so true. Here one side is false, another side is true. Even one side is true, it is true. Here true, false. One side is true, so true. Here no side is true, both the sides are false, then only false. So true, 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 false should be the result. Let me run this code and see whether we are getting the same output. True, 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 false. Correct. And finally, the last logical operator, which is kind of simple when compared to logical AND and logical OR operators, which is straightforward and simple. That is logical NOT operator. The last operator or logical operator in Java is logical NOT operator. Last one is logical NOT operator, guys. Let me create a table here. Logical NOT operator. Okay. So here only 3 rows are enough. In the first, not even this many columns. Okay. Like this is enough. Okay. Then 3 rows. 2 columns and 3 rows are enough for explaining this. Here on this, I'll write A. And here I'll write logical NOT operator, that exclamatory mark A, which is logical NOT operator A. Now, if A is true, NOT of A will become the opposite of true is false. What? False. If A is false, NOT of A, logical NOT operator A will become opposite of false. That is true. That's it. Okay. Let me practically demonstrate this one for you. That is system.out.println. Okay. NOT of true. What is the result? False. The next statement, if I write NOT of false, the opposite of false will become true. Okay. false and true. Let me run this code and see whether we are getting the same output. Yes. False and true. False and true is the result. Okay. Not of true is false. Not of false is true. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session where I'm going to cover the next set of operators or next category of operators, that is assignment operators. So see you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.